Introduction. Print on demand is revolutionizing online businesses, enabling anyone to launch a unique merch brand with zero upfront costs. In 2025, AI tools make designing and selling custom products smarter, faster, and more accessible than ever. What is print on demand? Print on demand is a business model where your designs are printed on products, like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, only after a customer places an order. This method means no inventory risk or storage worries, as all printing, packing, and shipping is handled by a third-party provider. How to start? Easy steps. Pick a niche. Focus on a target audience like gamers, pet lovers, or fitness fans for better branding and sales. Create your designs. Use AI-powered design tools to generate original graphics, slogans, or patterns with a simple prompt. No art skills needed. AI can suggest multiple designs instantly. Choose products and platform. Select high-demand items, shirts, hats, home decor, then upload designs to print-on-demand platforms like Printful, Printify, Redbubble, or Society6. Set up your store. Open your own shop on Shopify, Etsy, or a print-on-demand marketplace, and list your products with eye-catching images and SEO-rich descriptions. AI-powered trends and tools. AI now automates product mockups, listing descriptions, SEO tags, and even market research for trending styles. Use tools like Canva, Vexels, Kittl, or built-in AI generators to produce fresh, unique merch in seconds. Top sellers rapidly expand their product lines and adapt to trends using AI, doubling sales with less effort. Success, tips, and closing. Focus on creative, on-trend designs and never copy existing artwork. Check copyrights before publishing. Keep launching new products and promote them on social media with the help of AI marketing tools. Print on demand removes barriers for new entrepreneurs, and with AI in your corner, you can launch a standout custom merch brand from your laptop. Right now, in 2025, also focus on trending or niche markets such as hobbies, fandoms, or professions for faster traction. Frequently release new designs to stay relevant and increase exposure. Check for copyright or trademark issues before publishing or selling designs. Print on demand and custom merch empower creators in 2025 to build global brands from home using just creativity and digital tools, no warehouse or startup capital required.